Welcome to the Singapore edition of Zoho Books, a powerful financial platform for your business. With Zoho Books, you can handle all your accounting needs, such as managing invoices, purchases, budgets, inventory reports, and much more. In this video, we will see how you can sign up for Zoho Books, set up your organization, and begin your accounting right away. To get started, go to www.zoho.com/books and click the Sign Up Now button. Here, enter your company name, email address, and create a strong password. Select your business location as Singapore. Click here to agree to the terms and privacy policy, and click Create Account. Next, enter your organization details. Choose the industry you are in, select your state, and you can add your organization address here. Choose the currency you deal in, the language, and your time zone. Once done, click Get Started. Your organization is now set up. You can get a quick tour of Zoho Books by clicking here, or you can choose to do it later. You will get a verification email in your registered email address from where you can confirm your account. After signing up, you will be logged in to the Getting Started page. You can follow the instructions given in this page so that you can set up your organization seamlessly. On the left sidebar, you can find all the different modules available in Zoho Books. Here, you can configure the modules you wish to enable on the left sidebar. You can also configure additional modules by going to Settings, General, and selecting the modules to enable. We will explore Zoho Books by going through some of these modules and performing basic functions in them. Let's start with opening balances. To make sure your accounting is intact and continuous, you would need to bring in your opening balances. There are two cases. One, you are starting a new business and want to bring in some amount that you wish to invest in your business. Two, you already have a running business. For a new business, go to Settings and click Opening Balances under Setup and Configurations. Go to the Equity section and enter the opening balance or the amount you are bringing into your business in the credit side of owner's equity. If you have the amount in cash, go to the Assets section and enter it in the debit side of Petty Cash. If you have the amount in bank, you can go to the Bank section and enter it in the debit side of the bank. Please note that for this, you would need to first add your bank account in the Banking module in Zoho Books. Click Continue at the bottom of the page and then click Confirm. The second case would be that you already have a business and wish to bring in your opening balances. In such a case, run the trial balance report in your previous accounting software. Then follow the steps mentioned here to enter all your opening balances correctly. Zoho Books has a well-defined list of accounts and their corresponding account types. If you wish to add any additional accounts, you can go to the Accountant module in the left sidebar, then go to Chart of Accounts to add them. Next, let's configure the Singapore GST tax. Go to Settings and select Taxes under Taxes and Compliance. Enter the GST registration number and the tax registration date. Then click Save. Once done, the tax rates will be auto-populated in the Tax Rates section. You can view all the applicable taxes in this section. In the left sidebar, you can find a host of GST features as well. Click GST Return Settings. Here, choose your reporting period and tax return start date. Next, choose the tax basis. This will be applicable when you are filing your tax returns. Once done, click Save. You can check out the tax preferences and the tax automation settings here as well. Now, let's add your items. Go to Items in the left sidebar and click the plus icon next to Items. Enter the item name and choose its type. Select the HS code by clicking the search icon and searching for the type of item here. Next, choose the tax category by clicking the search icon and enter the details here. Based on this tax category, taxes will be applied to any transactions created for this item. Enter the sales and purchase details here. In Zoho Books, you can keep track of your item's stock using inventory. Mark this box to track inventory. Choose the inventory account and the inventory valuation method. Once done, save the item. Let's go back to the dashboard. On the left sidebar, click Sales. Here you can add your customers, quotes, invoices, and so on. Let's see how to create a customer. Click the plus icon next to Customers. Enter the customer name here and their company name. Next, choose their display name. Enter the email address and other contact information. Choose their language here. Under Other Details, choose if the customer has a GST registered business and enter the GST registration number. Then choose other relevant fields to enter. Enter opening balance, payment terms, and you can choose to enable the portal for them. Click Add More Details to add their social details. Go to the Address section next. Here, enter their billing and shipping addresses. You can similarly add the contact person's custom fields, reporting tags, and remarks for this customer. Once done, click Save. Your customer is successfully added in Zoho Books. You can now create any sales transactions for them, such as quotes, sales orders, and invoices. Let's try creating your first invoice. Go to Sales and click the plus icon next to Invoices. Select your customer here. The invoice number will be auto-generated. You can also choose to enter it manually by clicking the gear icon. Enter other details such as the invoice date, terms of payment, and the due date. Add a subject for this invoice if you wish. Next, add the items for this invoice. Add the customer notes and terms and conditions of your business. Then save the invoice. You have successfully created your first invoice. If you have integrated with any payment gateway and you mail your customers the invoice, they can directly pay you by clicking the Pay Now button. Once done, the invoice status will be changed to paid. You can also choose to record payments from your customers manually. Next, you have the Purchases section where you can add your vendors, your expenses and recurring expenses, and other purchase-related transactions. Let's try adding a vendor bill here. Click the plus icon next to Bills. Select the vendor name or click here to add your vendor instantly. Add all your vendor details here and click Save. Next, add your bill number, bill date, and other required details. Now add your item details. Add other fields as required. Once done, save the bill. Similarly, you can create other purchase transactions that are listed in the Purchases module in the left sidebar. With the Time Tracking module, you can add all your projects and also log time by different users under Timesheets, which can later be used for billing. Let's quickly try creating a project. Go to Time Tracking, Projects, and click the plus new button in the top right corner. Enter a project name, project code if you wish, and the customer for this project. Choose the billing type for this project. For now, we will select Fixed Cost for Project. Enter the project cost. Next, enter the cost and revenue budget. Additionally, choose the hours budget type. Let's select hours per task. Add any additional users if you wish. Now add the different tasks related to this project. Once done, click Save. Next, you can log time for this project using timesheets. Click the plus icon next to timesheets, record the necessary details, and click Save. You can learn more about projects and timesheets by visiting our help documentation. In the Accountant module, you can find your chart of accounts, budgets, and a variety of other accounting transactions. Under Reports, you can generate business reports like profit and loss, balance sheet, and cash flow statements, and get the real-time insights needed to optimize your business. You can schedule reports, share them securely with your team, and also export them to your system. Next, let's go to Settings. Here, you can view additional preferences for your organization. You can add multiple users and assign roles. You can set up customer and vendor portal. You can check out the different customization options and set up various automation settings. You can configure different module settings here, your payment gateways, and also check out different integrations and marketplace apps and extensions available here. Now, let's get back to the dashboard. Once you start creating transactions, you can view different business metrics here, such as your total receivables, total payables, the cash flow in your business, your income and expense, your top expenses, projects that you are working on, bank and credit cards that you have added, and your account watch list. You can also view all the recent updates in Zoho Books by clicking here. If you use multiple Zoho Books organizations, you can click here and switch to any of them. You can access your account from here. Hope you got a good overview of the Singapore edition of Zoho Books. In the description below, we have added a link to access our 14-day trial where you can access all our features for free during the trial period. So make sure to check that out. We have also added a link to our help documentation where you can get a better understanding of all our features. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.